honestly, Ariana Grande who? What's up guys, it's me, Ali. I am in such a mood right now. I feel so like you know when like everything in the world is just kind of like pissing you off? That's how I feel right now. I am just in a really weird mood right now, and I just want to like vibe out to some music. And I was thinking, like, you know, what if there were like other people who feel this way? And I was thinking, you know, what if I just like gave everyone a little like insight of music that I listen to on like a rainy day, or if I'm in like a really like weird mood. Sometimes it's really vibey. My music taste is like everywhere. It is so like there's a big variety. Hopefully this video does not get copyright or copywritten, or hopefully I won't get in trouble.
Ever since the rain, I've been waking on my own. I've given all my love to you. I've given all my love to you. Ever since the rain, I've been
You changed the oil. When the tire pressure light came on, you filled them up. When the engine light came on, you got your hands dirty and took care of business. Dip can cause mouth cancer, so don't ignore the warning signs. Smokeless doesn't mean harmless.
twice a day. I just wish you could feel what you say. You'll never tell what I know too well. You couldn't say. If teardrops could be bottles, there'd be swimming pools filled by models. Told the tight dress is what makes you
By the way, I'll have you know, best playlist for rainy day is the EP from Billie Eilish, Don't Smile at Me, and the Oh Wonder album, so don't listen to it.
Spent like a year and a half on a Greyhound bus on the way to see this girl. Take a flight back just to keep my job. Used to fly standby late to the airport.
darker than the ocean, deeper than the sea. Move me, take me, kiss me.
In your water and I'm feeling like I was listening to the song. It go like, I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. Life to live, yeah, I swear that you'll get over it. But I know you're sad and tired, you got nothing left to give.
Yeah, hey, trips to the mall, I just tripped in the fall. I think I might really be the one after all. Yeah, don't wanna rule them all, I'm the chosen one, the savior. With all these 666, yeah, make it look like I was up in Oakville. At least that's what my mama said. And I've been so love don't cost a thing. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't drink this. This is so bad for you. So bad for you. I only drink it because I have nothing else to do.
You just don't know how beautiful you are. So,
We go into Ariana Grande's part because
and baby, that's my favorite part. You walk.
If you wanna stay, but taking it slow, baby. 'Cause you wanna
but I love this song, Life Around Here by James Blake. Such a good vibe song. They did one, but it has Chance the Rapper in it. So, you can take my soul, please. Thank you.
Feels like touchdown on a rainy day. One time always alive from here. We're never
I'm roundabout, I bought a round of English help for my pals. About to sort it out, so brothers weed to me for like 200 pounds. I think my English getting real bad. Cause it's dumb bitch and I'm real. Little thing for me. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone until love.
So good, so good. Rex Orange County. I like heard about him when Haley Pham was talking about him, and like her getting ready, how like she likes the music because it's really like upbeat, and I've been in love ever since. So thank you, Haley, for being an amazing person and introducing me to Rex Orange County.
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's right. And to be honest, I don't even know why I let myself get down in the first place. Trying to keep my mind at bay. Some flowers still moving night. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems bright. Said that you can call me Alex, baby. Welcome to my life. But don't you worry, don't worry, girl. I don't know what you love. What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever.
That's all I've gotten so far for songs that I like to kind of vibe out to in situations where I'm not feeling well or I'm not happy, or if it's like rainy or something like that. Things that just make me like feel cool. I'm definitely in a better mood right now, because before I like literally want to jump into a volcano. If you want to follow me on SoundCloud, which is mostly where this music is, you can follow me. It's just Alexandra DUNE. That's it. I love you all so much, and I really hope that like I can make more content soon, because I have a really funny video idea and hopefully y'all like it. So I gotta fill out some job applications because I need some money. So okay, I love y'all. Bye.